I guess you could call these my salad days. I'm here in Hackensack listening to a great program on Vivaldi, and I'm going to make a salad. I had some fish tacos earlier, and I'm going to finish my meal with this great salad. Starting off with the Earthbound Farm organic spring mix. It's $3.79 for a whole pound at the Costco Business Center in Hackensack. It's a great deal. Basically just this is triple washed, so I don't really wash it. I just put it on a plate. I've been eating this stuff for years. I've never found anything in it but salad. So I used to just slap some of this on a plate and add extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. But then I got more creative after I saw some posts from Earthbound Farm about how you can make a sweet, savory salad with cheese and other ingredients. So we have some organic blueberries here. You could of course also dice some apples. That's an apple or pear. I have some very salty Kalamata olives. I have here also some low-fat, reduced-fat Swiss cheese that I cut up. You can use crumbled feta, which has, if it's okay, it has twice the fat of the low-fat Jarlsberg Swiss cheese. And we have some walnuts here that I roasted and I keep in a jar. Campari tomatoes. And these are organic cucumbers. The dressing, which I prepared and put in this shaker, it's about a week's worth of dressing in here. Has mustard, and I made a video earlier, you could see that. Mustard and garlic and Dijon mustard and garlic, olive oil, red wine vinegar, and other ingredients. Please check out my video on the salad dressing, and you could have some salad days of your own. Look at this beautiful salad. That's almost a meal in itself. Enjoy.